What's up, guys? So let me ask you a question. If you had to build your own car, would you drive a car every day? The answer is probably no, because it takes too long and too much work, and you wouldn't know how to do it properly, and so it probably wouldn't be a very safe idea, right? So what do? You go to a car dealership who gets cars from a factory that makes these cars every day, and you buy a car from them because they know what they're doing, right? So why is it that when it comes to making money online that you don't take the same approach? Why are you trying to do everything yourself instead of letting people who know what they're doing do everything for you and you simply copy what they're doing? So let me show you something. This page right here is called SwipeVault, and what this is a website that you can go to where they list all of the different things that the top people online right now are doing that are working for them. And so the only thing that you have to do is copy what they're doing for your own business. So let's read over the page here. It says, "Congratulations, we just had a few spots open up for SwipeVault," and that's good because, obviously this being popular is not going to be available to just anyone. They want to limit their spots because it's such a great thing. It says, "Would you like to build a successful online business using proven blueprints, systems, traffic sources, video sales letters, landing pages, social media secrets, automated funnels, copywriting tricks, and everything else that the top 1% of online businesses owners are doing to generate big profits online?" Of course, the answer is yes. So basically what I want to do is I want to go over this page with you guys in a brief video here and show you what they can offer you, okay? So reading down here, this is just a website showing you what SwipeVault is all about, okay? It says don't reinvent the wheel, and that's what I talked about in the beginning of this video. If you want to succeed online, you have two options. You can risk the odds, like I said, against you and attempt to come up with your own ideas that you hope will work, or you can do what I'm offering you guys right now. You can swipe what's already making money and what's already working for the top 1% of digital marketers and entrepreneurs that's proven to work, and you can do it too, okay? My suggestion is for you guys to stop trying to do everything yourself, and I want you guys to click on the link that I'm going to put in the video description below this video, okay? I want you guys to click on that link, and I want you guys to get your own access to SwipeVault, because you guys will be amazed at what they offer you that you can copy for your own business, okay? So right here, it says, "Are you feeling lost?" I think most of us probably feel lost when trying to make money online because it's not as easy as people make it seem, but with SwipeVault you can make it a lot easier, and you can increase your chances dramatically, okay? So there's a place right here where it says, there is a place where you can swipe what's working and use it for yourself, okay? And you can also watch these videos when you guys get a chance, okay? And this just talks about the success that this guy's had, okay? Now here's the 4 promises that I want to make to you guys in this video, okay? Promise number 1 is this is not one of those sites or sales pages where by the end of the page you not know exactly what you're signing up for, okay? If you guys go to this site yourself, you can read through this for yourself, okay? They're going to show you exactly what you're getting. Promise number 2 that I make to you guys is they will not overwhelm you too much information, and their success is your success, okay? Promise number 3, if you sit back and swipe what's working, there's a really good chance that you're going to be successful online, okay? Promise number 4 is it's not too hard or complicated for you to understand and deploy, okay? Because I know a lot of you guys probably think, okay, well, I've been trying to make money online for a long time, it's not working, but, this right here is my promise to you guys that, if you guys put in the work and you copy what these guys are doing, there's a great chance that you guys will have success with it too, okay? So basically this just goes on, talks about what Apple does to be successful, because I know you guys know how successful Apple is, obviously. Right, so this is just a page here, and just showing you guys everything, what they're offering you, okay? So all you guys have to do is go down here to the bottom of the page. So let me show you. So all you have to do is go right here where it says join Swipe Vault now, okay? So what I want you guys to do when you finish watching my video is I want you guys to click on the link below this video, and I want you to read through this this page right here, okay? And then once you get done doing that, I want you guys to click on Join Swipe Vault now, because I'm telling you guys, it's time for you guys to stop trying to do everything yourself, okay? All you have to do is click on Join Swipe Vault now, and once you guys do that, and you guys get signed up, they'll give you access to all of the things that you can swipe and use for your own business, okay? Basically what they do is they go out and they find what's working for the top people online right now, and they are copying what they're doing, and they're putting it on the website so you guys can see what they're doing, you can see what works, you can see what doesn't work, okay? And then that way that'll save you a lot of time and a lot of money in the long run, okay? So thank you guys for watching this video. Click on the link below this video right now. Read through this page, or watch the videos on this page. Learn about what it's all about, okay? And then click on Join Swipe Vault now, okay? Because I'm telling you guys, this is amazing stuff, okay? And the reason I can say that is because I myself have been in the online marketing field for over 10 years, okay? I've been doing this stuff for 10 years, and I'm telling you guys that Swipe Vault is going to be amazing, okay? So click on the link below this video and click on Join Swipe Vault now when you get there, okay? So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Bye.